Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's video I am sharing with you what's in this month's Scrawlr box. I have recently resubscribed to Scrawlr because I wanted to discover new art supplies, and it's like receiving a surprise gift every month. I am currently on a 3-month subscription. Scrawlr is a British art subscription box company. A monthly subscription costs £20.95, a subscription for 3 months costs £61.95, and for a year costs £234.95. You can find a link to Scrawlr in the description. And with this out of the way, let's have a look what's inside the box. Ta-da! So, what have we got in the box? We have a sticker. Then we have, what's this? A watercolor set. Watercolors made in India. Viviva colors. I think I had Viviva before with the Scrawlr box a while ago. Looked a bit different. So look. Oh, this is neat. You can swatch here. And and this is cork. I will swatch these later and see what colors they actually are. Oh, it says here cinnamon, mango, opera, alizarin crimson, viridian viridian hue, deep blue, violet, burnt umber. So this is really neat, very cute. Then we have a angle shader, I think it's called. Faber-Castell Pit Artist Fine Liner, black, always handy, medium, so it's quite thick. We've got the obligatory sweet. They always have a sweet in their box. And this is from this month's featured artist. Looks quite cute. Artwork by Trinketti. Okay, so what else have we got? Have to obviously have something to paint on, so this is going to be here. This is A5 watercolor paper, 8 sheets, and it's, what is it? Not, so it's cold pressed, so that's great. Cold pressed paper. Then we've got more artwork. Oh, this is the featured artist, Steph Padot. Ah, also Trinketti. It's the same artist, but that's her real name. Hope you can see this. Right. Yeah. And then we have the Scrawlr zine, which tells you all about the content of the box, the artist of the month, and some tips on how to use the colors. So normally they have a challenge. Okay, so this month's challenge is quest. I have no idea what to do with that prompt. I might actually have to ask someone what they would do with it. I don't know. I asked my husband, I think. Quest, going on a journey, on a quest. Yeah, I have to think about that before I attempt a little painting. And that's what's in this month's box. So we have paper and a cute little watercolor set. I love watercolors, so it's always nice to discover a new brand. Oops, that's the it's a number 8 brush, which is also quite good. Not too big, not too small. Yep, and that's it. So next I will try these watercolors out, do some swatching, and yeah, see you in the next scene. This Viviva watercolor box has 8 colors and they were picked by Scrawlr. The palette is made from recycled wine corks, the paints are vegan, and the retail price is £10. The Faber-Castell Pit Artist Marker pen is a size M and has light fast India ink which is water resistant and dries permanent. The retail price is £3.49. This angled paintbrush is a size 8 and it retails at £4.99. The A5 paper pad is acid-free, has 8 pages and is suitable for all sorts of media. It costs £6.99. The total cost of the box content comes to £25.47. The little box has a cover where you can write your name on. Here you can see me swatching the marker. Here I am swatching the colors. The colors in the box are cinnamon, mango, opera, alizarin crimson, viridian, deep blue, violet and burnt umber. The colors are nice and bright and can also be mixed, as you can see here. The pen draws very fine lines. I have other brush pens from Faber with thicker nibs. The nice thing with this pen is that it is waterproof. The prompt for this month's challenge was Quest. I found it really hard to come up with a story for this, as I was also really pressed for time. In the end, I wanted to paint something with cats, as our beautiful kittens are entertaining and inspiring. I imagine the cats going on a long adventure in search for their dream home with lots of catnip and their favorite food and lots of comfy places to chill. In both paintings I tried to use as many colors from the box as possible. I didn't quite succeed as I left out the cinnamon and opera. For the first painting I did a brief outline with the Pitt pen and started with the sky first and then painted the foreground and the cats. I painted a few layers. As the box didn't have any black or other dark colors, I mixed the blue and the umber to get a black or rather grey color for the cat's fur. The whiskers were added with the Jelly Roll pen by Scrawlr. The second painting was painted in a similar way, but I didn't add as many layers and I liked the bloom effect of the green in the background, so I left it as it is. I tried to accentuate the outlines by going over with the Pitt pen, but noticed that it was harder to do so I think it's best to only apply it before using the watercolors. As I like watercolors and I am a Faber-Castell fan, I really enjoyed this month's box. The colors are nice and bright, and a selection of colors works for a lot of painting ideas. It is a great little pocket palette to carry in your bag. I look forward to next month's box and will let you know what's in it. I hope you liked this video. If you have a question, please feel free to leave a comment. And if you want to support this channel, you can do so by liking, sharing and subscribing. You can also donate via PayPal. The link is in the description. Thank you for watching. Happy painting. Until next time.